Hello everybody. I've had this for about 2 months and I got it in my entertainment center, and I was gonna put like little leaves around it or whatever, but I got my Xbox behind. But yeah, somebody asked me if it was loud or not, but I use it every day when I read books. I got it set up on just a little button. It kicks that on and then kicks my little globe on up there on my bookshelf. It has gotten a lot quieter. And I've done some things. People say use distilled water. I just used whatever Walmart had. But since I use it every day, some of these will start building up like a lime looking crap up here. Whatever it's called. So I've got this Lucas stuff that I already put on my car, and it's like a speed wax. And I put that on there, and I have not cleaned this thing yet. And I've been using it every day for 2 months. And it keeps all the lime off, I guess. I don't know. I haven't had any problem. It still looks brand new. I guess I should have done the video when it was dry. And I noticed some of these are pushed down in there. I kind of like them out a little bit so the water will drain off, because lights don't last forever. But eventually each one of these will dry out. But I don't have any buildup of that crap that normally builds up on water. But it's really quiet. I'll put it right up against it. Shut that off so there's no noise. And that speed wax is, if you're interested in that, that's at Walmart too. It's expensive, but it's alright. I put my wires on the outside just because electrical wires and water just don't make sense to me. Plus, for my setup, it really didn't bug it having the wires back there, because when you come way back with the light off, you don't even see any of that in there. And I was eventually going to put grassy stuff around there, fake grass from Hobby Lobby or something, but yeah, it's definitely quieted down. When it does make noise, it means it's low, and I just pour it in right into this one, and it drains down there. I have it on while I do it, that way when the sound goes away I know I put enough water in it.